Hello viewers, welcome to Tradabulls.com. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about LTI Mindtree. A couple of weeks ago, somewhere around 3 weeks ago on August 6th, LTI Mindtree was on the lower range, wherein now today in the current status like August 28th, we can see that in heat maps and in index movers and as well as in the equities current market price, the data points, you can see how LTIM is moving in the upward direction. So I am going to give you a quick glance of all these segments, how you can go and check, and I'm also going to show you our past video of our founder who has given where we had shown where LTI Mindtree was trading in and how much the contribution point was there for 3 weeks ago and how much the contribution point is now in the current market, as well as in heat maps where we are in, whether it is on the positive side or whether it's the negative side, whether it's the higher or the lower. You can just find it in this particular video, in this particular presentation. So let's go to the video and let me show you. So I'm directly going to this YouTube video. This was a video which was taken somewhere on August 6th. This was a video which was taken on August 6th, a market analysis, where in this particular market analysis, you would see that for Nifty 50, LTI Mindtree for weekly time frame, it is somewhere in the negative contribution, and the contribution point also you can see here, it is minus 0.98. Okay, so which is on a lowest range. And similarly in heat maps, when you check in heat maps on the same date, okay, on the same date, so I'm again highlighting here, this is again August 6th. So on this particular date, if you look into the LTI Mindtree, this is LTI Mindtree, and if you see here the yearly, it is somewhere in minus 13.25 range, which is a negative side. Whereas now today in the current state on August 28, 2024, let's go to our Tradabulls application. So if you go to our Tradabulls application, you will see here that LTI Mindtree is somewhere on the top. The counter is somewhere on the top on daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, and it is LTI Mindtree somewhere 7% high for daily and 8.61% high for weekly, for 7.90% high for monthly, 12.48% high for quarterly, and 13.79% high for half yearly. So this way our application will give you an analysis, a quick analysis of how you can do the trading, whether you want to do a trading or whether you want to do an investment. Our application will really help you in finding out basis on the index movers and basis on the heat maps, how you can check which is on the upward, which is going on the higher range, which is going on the lower range, which is on the positive direction, which is on the negative contribution. This gives you a kind of an analysis where you can take the right decision on when you can do your profit bookings or when you can do an investment. So coming to the equity section, so let me go directly to the equity segment. So in equity segment, I've already opened LTI Mindtree. We are in Nifty 50 and I've already opened LTI Mindtree. And if you see here, the current market price, today's closing price is 6127.55 and the appreciation point is 376 and the change percentage is 6.54, which is on the positive side. So if you look into the daily time frame, already we have reached the target. Look at the data points here. the current market price is 6127.55, whereas our daily target was a 5880.70, which is already reached. The target is already achieved. Similarly for weekly, so weekly 5937 was our target, which is already achieved. And now coming to monthly, so somebody who's trading in a monthly trading, you can opt for the profit booking service somewhere here, okay, because now the market price is 6127. So here it's going to go on the upward direction, because already we have gone upward of the 3 CPR points. So if you see here, these are the CPR points. These 3 are the CPR points. This is the bottom line, this is the pivot point, and this is the top line. So already the 3 CPR points has been achieved, and the market has gone upward. So the market has gone upward, okay. So if you see here, the market is almost around somewhere here, okay. And also if you see for quarterly also we have almost achieved covered the CPR points, and we are on the higher side. So which means that overall, if you see, LTA Mindtree is trading on the, it's the market price, the price action is on the higher range. And also if you look into the heat maps, so we are here in heat maps. So let's see LTA Mindtree. So LTA Mindtree is for daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly and half yearly. It's on the higher, it's in green highlighted, which means that it's on a higher range. For yearly, we have only minus 2.66%, which is very less, which it can be achieved. So if you want to go for profit booking, for LTA Mindtree is one of the best companies, because if you would have bought it on August 6th, say suppose you bought it on August 6th, now your value must have been increased and you would have got the profits. So this way our application is very helpful for you, and you can make utilization of index movers, heat maps, equities. These are all the segments which will give you a kind of stock market data analysis for your best trading and investment purpose. So I hope this video has been very helpful for you. Thank you.